Okay, so tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, I'm Jyoti. I have completed my BE engineering in 2016 from in electronics and communication background. So and later I also worked as a UI developer for a couple of years, and then I prepared for UPSC exam. My hobbies includes communicating with the people, interacting with the people, and then understanding the place they have come from and what is the specialty in that region. And I'm also interested in dancing. And we have four in our family: my father, my brother, me. And yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you said that you were preparing for UPSC. So then, why did suddenly you left your preparation, or you were still in preparing?
I was preparing. Right now, I have left. Ma'am, before starting preparation, I just thought to myself that I have to give only 2 attempts. Then I have to switch to my job. So and then like I gave 2 attempts, and then when I started looking for a job, I thought this BDA profile suits my mindset. And because I'm a kind of a person who loves to interact, so that is something that suits me. And I'm a person who really work hard. So here is a job which rewards my hard work, and I can also grow in a faster way if I'm able to work really hard. So that is the reason I choose as a BD as my profession.
Okay, but what about the stress, or what about the hectic or pressure in the BDA? How will you handle the stress and pressures? Because in sale, it is a full hectic job where you will hardly get some time for your own things. So there will be nothing. Then there will be no time for preparing UPSC or any other exam. So then why you have choose to be in this profile?
No, ma'am. Like right now, I'm not. I'm not preparing for this examination. Like I have given my 2 best attempts, and now I don't want to invest my time on preparation. So I just want to earn from now. First thing, and secondly, ma'am, as you said, it is hectic. I am a kind of a person who have seen the pressure of being. I'm in preparation mode. So like I don't think like there is a proverb that there is no gain, there is no pain, then there is no gain. So I'm ready for any sort of pressure and. Like if something is rewarding me, and that itself motivates me to really work hard. Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. So what according to you, you think growth in sale is? Means if I ask you to explain something about growth in sale, what you will say? I just want to know about your point of view about growth in sale.
Growth in sale, the first thing is about like the role that we play. So we'll add incentives. So like in the sales, like we will be rewarded for the work that we do. And if we keep on doing our work in our best, so then we will be taken to our best positions in an organization. So that is what I really mean in a growth. And I can achieve whatever the role or whatever the position I am dreaming now. So if I'm really work hard.
See, Byju's BDA is a role for which there are thousands and lakhs of candidates who are waiting to get, getting into the system of Byju. So now, do you have any such qualities, or what are the things or qualities that distinguishes you from those other people who are waiting in the list?
Yes, ma'am. So if I want to put it in points, the first thing is I'm good at convincing the people. So and the second thing the second thing is the role that I am looking for is a sales. So and the second thing is the product, which I always admire. In India, the education is something with the highest priority to every parent. And if I'm speaking about any product which has a quality of, which is ready to give a quality of education to a children, so in that case me immense pleasure to talk to people about the products. And that is the major, means I have a passion to promote the product in the first place, because I'm genuinely interested in the Byju's product. And secondly, like I'm good at convincing, I can talk to people so well, because that is what I've done throughout my life till date, like talking to people and understanding their problem and trying to give solutions whatever is possible from my end. So I thought that the convincing character, and secondly is which I personally believe this Byju's is a product which I can take to the higher position. So I think this I will be a greatest asset to a company if I get into the company. So I passionately and genuinely willing to promote the product.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I see there will be a lot of people with whom you'll be talking. Yes, there will be a lot of leads and leads from different kinds of places. So there will be leads who really don't understand what exactly the Byju's features or what Byju's is providing. They will think that someone is calling them and for for buying something, someone wants to sell something. So because there will be people from villages who don't even know what is online studies. For them, they only believe in the knowledge which we get in books. So in those cases, what do you think? What will be the other, or what will be something different you are going to carry to explain or to make them understand what Byju's exactly is?
Yes, ma'am. People generally don't understand what the product is all about. Then we have to, that is what the role we as a salesperson have to do. We have to convince the people to purchase our products. So I would convince people based on certain factors like money, price. The price on which the Byju's product is getting is something really at cheaper cost compared to any other product that we are looking in the market.
Mm-hmm.
And second thing, I would convince based on the quality of education Byju's is providing. So like, there's here at Byju's, we have animated videos, and they also take real-time example. I'll take a tab and explain the village people that like these are the way your child can understand. So anywhere across the, like, no matter at what place, at what distance, like that child might be in village. He may not be able to go to metro cities to learn, but he can sit at the comfort of his home. He can eat his mother's food, and he can enjoy the climate of village, and he can also learn at what the child at metro city can learn at quality of education. I would convince in the quality of education also, and also in village that they can also look at the farming fields and all. You can also learn the stuffs and all. So I would convince on the quality of education at the price. And here also the child, like parents can also monitor the child. Like we also have a parental portal where the parents can see the performance of a child, so that we can like explain the parents that, see, if your child is spending time on other activities, you can monitor it. That is, I would convince on that as well. And we can also
Oh.
monitor
Okay, great. Okay, so let's move on to some scenario-based question. And here you just treat me like I'll be your customer and you'll be the salesperson. Okay. So there will be some scenarios, and my first scenario is that suppose I'll come to your shop to buy a bike, and the bike will be say 75,000 to like an 80,000 for my brother, for my younger brother. I want to gift him, but in this case, you have to convince me to buy the Himalaya, the Enfield one, the Royal Enfield. Okay. So which will come around say 1.5 lakhs or like that. So in this case, how will you convince me? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Very good afternoon to you.
Good
So,
afternoon.
yeah, I'm very delighted to have you on our showroom. And thank you so much. You're looking for a bike, right, ma'am?
Yeah. I just want to give to my younger brother a bike who has just now graduated. So yeah, you can show me a bike of range 75 to 80,000.
Yes, ma'am. I understood that you are looking for a bike to give to your brother, and he's just now completed his graduation.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Right
Yeah.
now, I'm taking you to a bike which is like it is. It looks very good. Like that is what the trending. So all the college guys likes that bike, and if you gift that bike to your brother, if you gift your brother, which is around 75,000 range, he may not like. But here is a bike which is Royal Enfield, where most of his friends are using it right now, and he might be also dreaming to have that one. So if you present him this Royal Enfield, he would really enjoy, and he would really enjoy what the gift that you are giving to him. So, and
Yeah,
also
but see, I have to take a lot of responsibilities in my family. So now somehow I have managed to give him a bike. So that's why I can't go, I can't pay such a huge amount of money. So that's why I know he will love the bike more, but for him, if I give him something, he will accept it with great happiness. He likes everything which I give to him. So that's why I think it will not be a problem for me. So I want
okay,
to
ma'am, but
go with a 75 or 80,000 price amount of bike.
yes, if you gift him that 75 range bike, at future, since he's already graduated, he might find a job and he might get that bike. But the thing is, if you invest your money in a right product, your brother no need to invest again same amount and purchasing Royal Enfield. So the first thing is that. And if you're thinking about the money, ma'am, we have a EMI policy with zero interest. So, and because of this Diwali, we have this offer where you can purchase a Royal Enfield at zero interest. You can pay EMI. You don't need to pay 75 at right now. You just pay for a registration fees. We have around 5,000 rupees, and you can save the 70,000 rupees, and you can pay monthly also. So you don't need to invest entire amount on this. This offer is only for a limited period of time. You can please go through
Okay,
it. And
but I think EMI will be a problem for me because every month I have to pay a huge amount. Because if I buy 75, then I think somehow I'll manage. But now, if more than lakhs, then I don't think it will be, I may get some problem.
no, ma'am, but if you purchase 75,000 rupees bike, but in that you have to pay a lump sum amount at one go. But here, if you purchase this bike, you have to pay very small amount monthly wise, and you will not be added in burden of interest also. So that, and secondly, ma'am, this is it has amazing features, and look wise or about in mileage wise also. It has the best things in that. So your brother will enjoy. He really like your like this in Royal Enfield bike a lot, and he really likes, like, he also gift you with best stuff. So if you present him with this bike, so it has the best features also. You will not be burdened with the amount, ma'am, definitely, because you don't need to pay any interest. You have to pay very small amount of money every month, that's it. And this period is only for a shorter period of time. If your brother wants to buy the same bike after 1 month, he may don't get at this price. So the price will also increase, and he has to pay some interest on that. Since we have an offer, I'm telling you, because you have to purchase a right product at right time. That is the reason, ma'am.
Okay, then I will go with the bike only, no worries. Okay, so my next question to you is that suppose I'll come to your shop to buy the OnePlus mobile phone, okay, and now you have to convince me to buy a telephone because the owner of the shop is shouting at you because you all have a telephone which is there only live, okay. So now you have to convince me to buy a telephone, but I'll come to your shop to buy the OnePlus phone, okay.
Okay. Telephone is a landline you're talking about, ma'am?
Yeah.
Landline.
The London.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Nice to have you on our shop. May I know what is the purpose of purchasing this phone?
Yeah, I just want the OnePlus, the most trending one. So can you show me that? Yeah.
Ma'am, is it for a personal use or for a family use? Or
Yeah, it's for me. No, I want it for myself. Yeah.
Okay, nice to know that, ma'am. Ma'am, you can also purchase OnePlus, but here we have a amazing BSNL landline connection telephone. So the reason which I am showing it to you is it has a special offer. We have a special offer. So since you are saying it is only for you, like, ma'am, if you purchase this landline connected phone, so to this you can have a Wi-Fi connection to your entire house. So you can connect your TV through this internet connection, which will be provided through this telephone. And you don't need to you don't need to spend extra amount on recharging for data facilities. Like for internet connection, you need to pay extra amount. Not only you, entire your family members no need to pay for that. And secondly, ma'am,
yeah, but see, I just want the OnePlus mobile phone, and talking about the Wi-Fi, I already have a JioFi with me, and now I don't use the internet much. Only the working hours I use the net connection, and that the JioFi works is fine with me. So that's why I don't want to buy the telephone, because see, I don't want to waste my money. If I buy the telephone, I have to keep it in my house. No one will use. So why should I take this and throw it in my house? That's why I want to go with my phone only. Because nowadays no one uses this landline phone, right?
Yes, ma'am. But the thing is, ma'am, like in your busy schedule, you may not be able to pick your call. Sometimes you might be at bathroom and you can't carry your mobile phone everywhere. But if you keep a landline at your home, others can also pick up the call. And like sometimes.
But what about if I go outside, or if our offices reopens, then we have to go to the location, desired location, yes. So then what will be the use of the telephone? Then I can't carry the telephone with me to the office. So what do you think? Will it be I think it will be a full of wastage.
No, ma'am, but I don't think so, because telephone, if you carry your mobile phone, your child will be using it for other reasons also. You can't track your child each time that what he is watching in his mobile phone. But if you keep a landline, no such activities will go on. Like you will be using your phone only for receiving or calling. Like if you have a small kids and they will invest their time instead of studying, they will be investing on gaming or any other activities. So you can't each time you cannot monitor your child. That is one thing. And if you
Yeah, but
have
see, we don't only use the mobile phone for calls. We nowadays, the online transactions, photos, everything, it happens with the mobile only. Everything is there. Without mobile, we can't even stay. See, to see a YouTube video also, we need the mobile phone. Yeah. If we are traveling and we want to watch some movies, we want to listen some songs, then also we need the mobile phone. So the telephone will not do all this work for me. That's why I'm a person who loves watching movies, series, and all. So I need my phone. That's why I want to buy the latest one and the very good one.
Yes, ma'am, I understand your concerns, and we are like in every product there will be a challenges and there will be some limitations also. But if you compare both the pros and cons of this OnePlus or the mobile phone or any telephone, like I personally feel this landline connected telephones are better to a family like you are holding. Like you have all, like you have a children and you also have a grandparents, like where they cannot use your phone. If you want to watch YouTube also, you can connect your like if you have a landline connected, if it is connected to Wi-Fi, you can watch in a TV. You can watch YouTube also. You
Yeah,
can
I understand your point, but I'm saying that only if I travel and if I am traveling somewhere, then who will do the work? Then I cannot carry my telephone with me.
Yes, ma'am. That is a limitation that
Yeah,
telephone that
yeah.
has.
Their limitation is there. That's why I want the OnePlus phone. I don't want to go
Yes,
with the telephone. So I'll buy someday other. I'll come to your shop again if I think that we need a Wi-Fi or something. I'll surely visit your shop to buy the telephone. But for this timing, I just want the OnePlus phone. Okay.
yes, ma'am. I understand that you really need OnePlus, but keeping the limitations that both the telephone and this has. But I personally believe, because in my house also I don't use a mobile phone, though I'm working in this shop. We have a landline connected, because keeping both the limitations, both the pros and cons of both the product, I personally believe this landline connection is far better. So because like if you
Yeah,
have
but see, I'm a working lady, so I have to go here and there for my official work, for my family work. So that's why I don't want to go with the telephone. Okay, I understand your point, and I'll surely buy the telephone wherever I will. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Now, suppose you are the owner of a shop and say stationery, okay, pencil, pen. So suppose I bought a packet of pen, say link pen, and there I bought the whole packet, but every pen has a defect. Some pens are leaking, some is not writing. So now I'll come to your shop for the complaint because I trusted you. I bought something from you, but I got a very bad result. My experience is not that good. So in this case, how will you handle the customer? I mean, handle me. Okay.
okay. Hi, ma'am. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience that we have created to you. So that in the absence of me, our salesperson might have kept the wrong product in that
Yeah, but
place.
see, sorry, won't work because I have to face a lot of difficulty. Because in the night time, when I tested every pen, it didn't work. So it was very difficult for me to come outside the home in this night to buy a pen. So I trusted you, and I'm a very old, customer of your shop. That's why I visited your shop every time. But this time, it's really a very bad experience, and means your staff should be aware. You all are handling this shop. Your staff should be at least aware to give what to give, what not to give. So this is really unexpected.
Yes, ma'am. This happened, like this never happened in our shop. This is the first time that we are hearing such complaint. But we are extremely sorry on that wrong product, ma'am. You can give back that product. We will give you the right product, and that product is also which you have taken, which is of higher cost. We are giving you something which is
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Which
Okay,
is
but what if I get the same thing again, or if the same thing repeats again? If I bring this pain with me, but again, if same thing happens, then what will I do? Again, I will come to your shop to give a complaint or what?
ma'am, I will assure you that this won't happen again in our shop. This happened maybe in an agency or whatever, but I'll ensure you that this will not repeat again in our shop. And we are giving
Okay,
you.
so
We are
can I
requesting.
get back the money and can I get back a free product instead of those damage?
Ma'am, we will pay you back the amount that which you have paid, and we are also as a as a regard, like we are also giving you as in the form of gift, because we have created inconvenience to you because you trusted us. So we don't want to lose this trust, because we need a customer. You have to come back to our shop again. So we are giving you a branded pen, which is of higher cost than which you have already purchased. We will refund the entire money as a form of just because we have created inconvenience to you. We are providing a branded pen to you, ma'am. And sorry for the
Okay.
inconvenience that we have created. Yeah.
Okay, I got a point. So let's move on to the academic question. So do you know what is E is equal to MC square? Have you heard about this equation?
Yes, ma'am. It is about theory of relativity.
Okay, so can you tell me who introduced this equation?
Albert Einstein introduced it.
Okay, so can you tell me any three shapes? I mean, name of any three shapes of triangle?
3 shapes of triangle.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. 3 shapes of triangle,
shapes. I mean, the types also you can say. Types are only the shapes. Types of triangles. What are the types of triangles? You know?
Yes, ma'am. I'm unable to recollect, but.
Okay, no worries if you forget. Okay, no problem. So can you tell me those 7 colors of rainbow, Sirieri?
Vibgayar, ma'am. Violet, indigo, red, orange, yellow, and red.
Something you missed in between, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Indigo. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm unable to recollect properly. I'm sorry.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so now let's move on to the BDA question of Byju's. Okay, so suppose I'm a teacher and I only look after my child's studies. So, and being a teacher, I don't think that we need some online studies or online materials to, to provide education to my child because of being a teacher. Okay, so now how will you convince me to take Byju's?
Yes,
so you can treat me like the customer.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
So, yes, ma'am. Nice to hear that you're already a teacher. So you're also counseling your child and you're tracking your child performance. Yeah. And nice to know that. And ma'am, may I know at what class your child is studying?
Yeah, he's in class 5.
Class 5. Okay, nice, ma'am. So, ma'am, right now I have a product called Byju's, where in this product it is very reputed product actually. So you might, as a teacher, you might have already known, you might have heard about this product. And the second
I know about Byju's. Yeah, I got so many calls from Byju's, and I was saying that I don't require all these things because I'm a teacher and I already provide everything to my child. I'm providing notes, handwritten notes, and he's doing very good and he's quite young now. So I don't want to get enrolled in educational, edtechs and all.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but as you already said, you are a teacher already. You don't get much time to personally monitor your child. So here at Byju's, we have a parental portal where you can track your child performance. Firstly, you can track it. And secondly, ma'am, since you already said that you are giving handwritten notes and all, but here at Byju's, our faculties, our teachers will teach your child with real-time examples. We also have animated pictures where your child can remember the content for a longer time, not just for the sake of examination. He also.
But I think if he gets all these videos and all, they will distract him from studies. But because he is doing good, and now if he gets all these, tabs and all, it will distract him from studies. He will just keep playing on the tab, looking here and there in the tab. So I don't want to get enrolled. That's fine.
But now here at Byju's, in our application, we can also lock our other applications. Like you can actually restrict the applications that are there, and the child can only focus on study videos which have a educational content. So that application that special feature also we have at Byju's, ma'am. So you don't need to worry if your child will get distracted and all. Secondly, ma'am, more the videos the child watches, he'll get more interest on that because he will be rewarded. So initially, easy questions will be asked based on the classes that has already been held. And if the child performs very well, then the difficulty levels also increases. And on based on this, your child's interest also increases. He don't get distracted.
Okay, but don't you think he will watch the video, he will understand something, but he will forget it in one go? Because when we provide them handwritten notes, when we explain those things, it becomes more clear than watching something, and then he will just forget after watching 2-3 videos of the same thing.
No, ma'am, here the child can revisit the same videos again and again until he gets the clarity of the content. So that feature we have. And you also have one-on-one session also. The monitoring, the mentoring will also be there. Like if the child finds any difficulty in understanding any concept, he can talk to a mentor, then his doubt will get cleared. And if you want to watch the same video again, that feature also we have, ma'am. Here at normal classes, ma'am, only once the teacher will teach us, and the child cannot watch the same video. But here in Byju's, ma'am, the child can watch the same video again and again. And since your child is at 6th standard, yes.
5th standard, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So my next question to you is that my child is already enrolled in extra marks and doing good. So now how will you convince me to take Byju's?
Ma'am, may I know at what class the child is studying?
Yeah, class 2.
Class 2. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's nice to hear that your child is performing very well at his academics. But ma'am, since the child is too small, that he is just he's in grade 2. But has he like if he crosses like 5th, 6th or 10th, his retention power may go down, or he may not perform very well, because in nowadays the
that's why we enrolled him in extra marks, and we are getting mentors, we are getting counselors who is looking after him very nicely, and that's why he's performing very well. So now I don't want to switch to some other edtechs, some other courses. Extra marks is providing us everything which we are expecting from them.
Okay, ma'am, your child is already got enrolled in extra marks.
Yeah.
But what Byju's differs from extra marks is that we have a very reputed faculties, but you can see our reputation based on we have nearly 13 million downloads, and we have like 7 crore students are enrolling every year. This speaks the quality of education Byju's is providing. So we don't know about other competitors, but at Byju's we are also extending. It just started in 2011. Now it is spreading across the world. So that itself speaks the quality of education Byju's is providing. And ma'am, about the quality, like all these things. And ma'am, like compared to extra marks, what we especially are doing is, like as you said, the child will get distracted. We have special app lock system, that feature we have, and you can also monitor your child performance. So the parental portal, which is available in offline mode, is also available at Byju's. So like
but in extra marks we are getting the course at very low price, and I heard Byju's is quite expensive compared to extra marks.
Ma'am, I don't ma'am, we are providing the quality of education because our faculties or teachers are very reputed, and they are mostly from IITs, and they are highly qualified to the job that they are doing, and they are giving not just the content they are providing, but they are ensuring that the child will remember the content for a longer time based through their animated pictures and through their real-time examples, which is not available in any other products which are there at market. So, and that is how we are different from any other organizations. And even here at Byju's, so our faculties are well reputed, and they will ensure that your child, once you are get enrolled to a Byju's, you don't need to look to any other organizations, and that is what I can ensure to you, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me any 3 main features of Byju's product?
3 main features of Byju's product. So, ma'am, like right now, from 4th standard to 8th standard, we it has a classes for math, science, and biology, maths and science, and now it is also extended its features for social sciences also, and special features like it has a parental, like parents can track their child performance even in offline mode, and one-on-one mentoring is available at Byju's. And the child can watch the same video. He can revisit the same videos again, and those videos contain animated pictures and real-time examples. And the faculties are well-reputed faculties, and they will train the students like to their best abilities. So that is what.
So, is there any salary expectation you have from Byju's?
Like right now, I don't have any expectations, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So why you want to join only Byju's? Why not other edtechs?
Ma'am, as I already said that I have prepared for the UPSC examination. Sometimes I also gone through the content of Byju's. So I felt personally, and I strongly believe the Byju's is something I can strongly go with, because I don't want to speak something which is not exist. And if I speak about Byju's, I know the content. I also know the quality of content they are providing. So, and it is well reputed, and that reputation, and if I'm really work hard for something, and that something should be Byju's is what I feel.
What do you think? Who are the biggest competitors of Byju's?
Ma'am, I feel Unacademy is a competitor and Vedantu is what I feel.
Okay. And do you know any of the edtechs which is acquired by Byju's?
Any other? Okay, what?
Edtechs, yeah.
Yeah, I think it has acquired Thinker, which is American-based company. Yes.
Okay. And no other?
And it is also like it has also, it might be a franchisee of some cricket team.
I'm talking about the edtechs.
Okay, that is Thinker is what I heard.
Okay.
Which is
Okay,
US
no
based.
issues. Okay. So do you know any latest news or any trending latest news of Byju's which you have heard recently?
About Byju's, no such news, ma'am. But I just heard that this is now, like till now, it was giving content on science and maths subjects. Now it is also giving the content on social issues also. That is what I heard, and it's like its annual income is also growing. So that is what I can notice based on the advertisement I am able to receive now. So that is what I just.
Okay, then Jyoti, we are here at the end of our interview, and now we move on to the feedback session. But